Hello student. Today my lecture on EVS. Lesson number 3, animal shelters. Why do we need houses? A house also protects us from thieves. They have to face some threat of wild animals. A house protects them from wild animals too. Like us, do animals also need shelters? Some animals do. They build shelter for themselves. They build shelter for themselves. Shelter meaning here the meaning of shelter is a safe place where one is protected from any danger, a place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. Some other animal find shelter in safe places in the environment. Animal who build shelter for themselves will learn ahead. You must have seen birds' nest. Nests are shelter that birds build. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs. So they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Baby birds come out the eggs. Look at here. There are animals that eat these young birds. The young birds are too weak to defend themselves. The nest keep the young ones safe. That is why birds build a nest. They use things like grass, straw, and twig to build the nest. They may even use cotton, wool, and pieces of thread and string. This makes the nest soft and warm inside. But the nests of all animals are not at all alike. Birds chooses convenient places to build the nest. Look at the weaver birds. It chooses a thorny trees which has some branches hanging over the water. It builds its nest on the highest of these branches. Animals that eat grass find it difficult to reach this nest. The tailor bird is smaller than a sparrow. It selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. It uses a fine tendril to stitch them together. This nest is big enough for the little tailor bird. Some insects also build their own shelter. For example, honeybees build their honeycombs on the tree under the roof of an overhanging cliff. Rat and mice live underground in the field. They dig in the soil and make the hole and burrow to live in. Rats and mice also live in an area where the people live. They make a hole in a wall under the floor in the houses. They mostly take a shelter in mud houses and not in those built with a cement. That is because they cannot dig the hole in the cement construction. I hope, my dear student, you all understand. Thank you.